funnest toys.
I wonder what surprises we have hiding in our garage. We have a yellow garage, a blue garage, a green garage, and a red garage. Let's see what's in our yellow garage. It's building blocks. Let's see what we can build with these pieces. It's a blue police car. Let's see what's in our blue garage. What do you guys think we can make with these pieces? Let's find out. A siren goes on top. And here's our hose. It's a red fire truck. Let's see what's in our green garage.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the
Let's see what we can make out of these pieces. Here's a propeller. It's a blue airplane. Let's see what's in our red garage. What can we make out of these pieces? It's a yellow, green, orange, white, and gray tow truck. Red fire truck. Yellow school bus.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
car. Red fire truck.
The wife takes the child.
Yellow school bus.
The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
White ambulance. Blue police car.
Funnest toys.